Hello everyone, Experimental Dev here, and today I want to talk about browser extensions. I'm not going to give you a standard boring description of what they are because we have Google for that. Instead, I want to share a list of my favorite extensions that save me tons of time and help me out on a daily basis. Less blah blah talk, let's jump right into it. First up, dimensions. Very handy tool that allows you easily to measure dimensions from your mouse pointer up and down, left and right, until it hits a border of something. For example, image, button, or something else. So if you want to measure distances between elements on the page you're working on, this is the perfect tool. The only minus, it doesn't really work well inside the images because their colors change a lot from pixel to pixel. If you want to measure something inside the picture using only dimensions, it's not the best idea. Next on our list is the grid ruler. It does a couple things. It allows you to create grid like the one you have in Photoshop, and it also can work as a ruler. To activate grid mode, make sure that the left top corner is white, and then you can create grids by dragging from main, vertical, and horizontal rulers to create grids. Once you're done with that, click on the top left corner to switch into ruler mode. And now you can measure distance for different things. Hold shift to get straight lines. I prefer to use this extension together with dimensions, the one I mentioned before. So basically we can put some grids, let's say here and there, and then we enable dimensions to measure distance between those two lines. Another one is Perfect Pixel. When I'm feeling as flexible as rock and designer is breathing down my neck for the perfection, I turn to my trusty sidekick, the Pixel Perfect extension. With this bad boy, I can slap the semi-transparent image, overlap on my HTML, and compare it pixel by pixel to the designer specs. I also like to use this image overlay and screenshot above it later to attach it into my PRs. Next one is Toby. Toby is my go-to starting point for the day. It's a dashboard that lets you group frequently visited pages into screens and bookmark for easy access. Another one in my list is JSON Viewer. JSON Viewer is an extension designed to make it easy to view and understand JSON data. This extension presents JSON in well-organized and easy-to-read format. You can easily navigate through JSON data and explore, expand, or collapse different nodes. Additionally, JSON Viewer provides users with syntax highlighting and error detection, making it easier to spot and correct any issues with the data. As you can see, I have more than just 5 extensions, and there is one more extension I would like to share today. It's one of my favorite extensions. This extension named Extension Manager. What it does, you can get from the name, it provides users a convenient way to manage and organize their browser extensions. With this manager, I can quickly enable, disable, group, or remove extensions with just a couple clicks. But there is one thing that makes this extension so special for me. Within this extension, I can specify rules and automate things. For example, I can say that when the URL is localhost, only then enable some extensions like dimensions, rulers, reactive tools, or any other extensions I need for development. Also, I can say that disable some extensions when the URL hits localhost. For example, I can disable my ad blockers, password managers, and any other extensions which I don't need when I'm in kinda, developer mode. Or for example, another use case for this extension, when let's say I go to Amazon.com and I want to buy something, I can specify a rule which automatically enable honey, for example, to get some coupons at the end and keep it disabled for the rest of the time. Also, Extension Manager allows me to create groups of extensions for home usage and for, let's say, office work usage. So I can group them and I switch between those groups. So this was my list of extensions that I personally use on a daily basis. Tell me more about yours in the section down below. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.